Welcome to STEM ACADA, your gateway to the exciting world of science. I am Abiodun. Today we're learning more about the scientific method. But before we begin, let's roll up our sleeves and get ready for some scientific exploration. First things first, let's set our objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the scientific method, list the key steps of the scientific method, explain why the scientific method is important in science, and develop a visual representation of the scientific method. Alright, let's kick things off with a definition. So what exactly is the scientific method? Well, imagine it as a roadmap that scientists use to explore and understand the mysteries of nature. The scientific method is a step-by-step process used by scientists to investigate and understand things in nature. Now, let's break down the scientific method into its key steps. Imagine you are embarking on a scientific journey. What would you do first? Step 1. Asking questions. It's like being a detective, curious about the world around you. Step 2. Observing things. Take a closer look at the wonders of nature, like a scientist with a magnifying glass. Step 3. Identifying problems. Spot any puzzles or mysteries that need solving. That's where science comes in. Step 4. Making guesses, also known as hypotheses. What do you think will happen? Take a guess and let's test it out. Step 5. Carrying out experiments. Time to roll up your sleeves and put your guesses to the test. And step 6. Drawing conclusions. What did we learn from our experiments? It's time to connect the dots and make sense of our findings. Aha, but wait, there is more. When scientists have enough evidence to support their ideas, they call it a theory. So a theory is the conclusion that scientists have drawn about how something works. And when something in nature always happens, it is called a law. Now, why is the scientific method so important? Let's explore. Firstly, it helps us uncover the truth about how things work in the world. Imagine it as a truth-seeking flashlight in the darkness of the unknown. Secondly, it is like a problem-solving superhero sweeping in to save the day and answer questions about nature. Thirdly, it is the ultimate tool for discovery. With the scientific method in hand, scientists can unlock new secrets and unravel the mysteries of the universe. Fourthly, it is all about proof. Just like in a courtroom drama, the scientific method provides evidence to support scientific claims. And finally, it is the birthplace of innovation. From the light bulbs to smartphones, scientists use the scientific method to dream up new inventions that shape our world. Now, it's your turn to put on your scientist hats. Your task is to develop a flowchart or visual representation of the scientific method, illustrating each step. Get creative and let your scientific imagination run wild. Thanks for joining me on this scientific adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering. Science awaits.